how to change the style of your widgetable widgets. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Widgetable on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Here, click on any of the widgets you want to customize. After you've clicked on it, click on the box icon at the top right. Here, you'll find all the widgets that are installed. So simply click on the installed widget. And now, at the bottom, you can select a friend and then in customization, click on it. After you click on customization, you will be able to customize the font. Select the font as you want. Also bottom, you'll find text color. You can change text color as you want. You'll also find border. Select the border as you want. After you do that, press on save. Then click on install. And now add it again to your home screen. After you do that, you'll find the edited version in your new widget. This is how to change the style of your widgetable widgets. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.